Am I audible? Welcome back to my channel. So, viewers, today I will teach you some problems. Okay, I'll solve some problems based on number series. So, this is very important for bank, SSC, and even railway. So, there are already 5 questions come in bank exam. Okay, and SSC also asks this type of questions. So, you have to practice this type of questions and and as well as you have to learn the method. Okay, learn the concept. So student, today I will teach you concept and as well as I will solve this problem so that you can also learn from this video. Okay, so here are some missing number series. There are two type of number series. One is missing number series and the other is wrong number series. Okay, so today I will teach you or I will solve this type of questions like missing number series. Okay, so missing number series, here one of the number will be missing. Okay, so we have to find that number. So here in problem number 1 we can clearly see that 5, 11, 23, 7, 95 and 1. So always pay attention to the bigger number. Okay, so here it is 95, bigger number. Okay, now it is 57. Now this is 23. So here the number is reducing like half. 95 is half of 47 is half of 95. 23 is half of 37. Like approx. Okay, so we can see that. So this method will be like 57. 57 is multiplied by 2, okay, which is 7 times 2, that is 94. And if we add 1 with this, it will be 95. Okay, so if we write it here like 5, 11, 23, 57, 95. So if we multiply it with 2, okay, plus 1, I will get this. Okay, now if we multiply it by 2, this is 56. 23 times 2, that is 46 plus 1, that is we are getting this number 57. Okay, if we multiply it with 2 and add 1, we are getting this, right? 11 times 2, that is 22, plus 1, that is 23. Okay, so if we multiply it with 2 plus 1, that is 5 times 2, that is 10, plus 1, that is 11. So we are getting this. Okay. So the rule is multiplied by 2 plus 1. So what will be the next number? It will be multiplied by 2 and will be added by 1. So 95 times 2, that is 190, and plus 1, that is 191. Okay, 191. So this is the correct answer. So 191, the correct answer here. Okay. So missing number series is when find out when found out in this method. Okay. So it is clear to all of you. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. So problem number 2. Here it is 7. Let me write it here. Write it. Okay. 7, 10, 16, 28, 52, and what? So we have to find this the next number. So take always focus on bigger number. 52 is bigger, and 28, it is like half or one third. Half or one third of this. Okay. Half means can, if we multiply it with, it will be 56. 56, and if we subtract 5 4, then we will get 52. This is a possibility only. Okay. It does not mean that it will be also the right answer. Okay. I am just taking a possibility. It can be wrong. Okay. So, but the process should be this. Okay. So we have to go ahead by doing like this type. Okay. So if we multiply it by 2, 16 times 2, that is 52, and subtract 4, then is 828. Now if we multiply it with 2 and subtract by 4, we will get this. So rule is this, because it is satisfying this means three numbers. So the rule is this. Okay. This is the rule. So we got this, got the rule. So if we multiply it by 2 and subtract by 4, then we will get this 7 times 2, that is 15, minus 4, that is 10. Okay. So what will be this one? So it will be multiplied by 2 and will be subtracted by 4. So 52 times 2, that is 104, minus 4, that is 100. Okay. So 100 is the correct answer. Okay. So this number will be 100. Now we are moving to the third number question. So you tell me, is it understandable? Do you understand or not? If you are a beginner, maybe you don't understand, but trust me, watch all this video and you will definitely understand this. Okay, because if you are a beginner, you might be thinking that how why we are multiplying it by 2. So you you in this type of question, your your brain should be very sharp. Okay, when you practice a lot of question, you will automatically give the right answer. Okay, you will automatically guess, or your mind will be so sharp that you can you can see all the possibilities. Okay, so practice is the game changer for this type of question. Okay, for these chapters. So more practice and more you will learn. Okay, so students, just watch how am I solving this hard number question. Okay, so in this question, here it is 120 and this is 99. This is 80. This is 63. This is 48. This is what? So we have to find out this. Okay, so 120 and this is 99. This is 80. What can we see? What we can see? So we can see that this is something like addition subtraction case. Okay, so as the number is very close to this, 120 is very close to 99, 99 is very close to 80, 80 is very close to 63, 63 is very close to 48. So here it may be a addition subtraction case. So first of all, we have to take the difference between them. Okay. So what is the difference? That is 21. Okay. And in this case, the difference is 19. In this case, difference is how much? 7. And here 1, 10 means 17. And in this case, the difference is 15. Okay. So we can clearly see that here the difference is 2. The difference is 2. Difference is 2. So similarly, in this case also the difference will be 2. So what will be this number? What will be the number? So difference will be 2. So this will be 13. 17 minus 2, that is 15. 17 minus 2, that is 15. 15 minus 4, that is 10. Okay. So this number will be 10. And if we 63 minus 15, that is 48. 8 minus 13, that is the right answer. So subtract 13 from 58. So that is 5, and this is 3. 35 is the correct answer. Okay. So 35 is the correct. Okay. Understood? Now we are moving to the fourth number question. Okay. Fourth number question. So here it is written 2, 5, 10, 17, and 26. And the next part is what? Now, if we take the big number, okay, bigger number is 26, then 17, then 10, then 5, then 2. So we can see that this number is very nearer to 17. 17 is very nearer to 10. Okay. So here it is also a subtraction addition case. Okay. So if we add 17 to, if we add 9 to 17, we will get 26. If we add 7 to 10, we will get 17. Okay. And if we add 5 to 5, we will get 10. And if we add 3 to 2, 3 to 2, then we will get 5. So you can see that 3, 4, 5 difference is 2. Here the difference is also 2. Here the difference is also 2. So it will be also 2. The difference will also be how much? 2. So 9 and 2, that is 11. So this is added, and 17 and 9 is added, then we are getting 26. So 26 and 11 are added, then we will get this one. So 7, and this is 3. Okay. This 7 is the correct answer. 7 is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, you can write it here. Okay. Don't have to write this in the examination hall, but I am writing it so that the beginner can understand easily. Okay. Now, moving to the next problem. Here it is written 3, 6, 18, 72, and 33, 60. And we have to find out this one. So we can clearly see this 3 times 2, that is 6. 6 times 3, that is 18. 18 times 4, that is 72. 17 times 72 times how much? 5, that is 360. So 360 times how much? 6, maybe. Okay. So just try to guess. Like if we multiply it by 2, we will get 6. If we multiply it with 3 by 3, we will get 18. So 2, 3, this is 4, this is the rule. Okay. 4, and it will be multiplied by 5, and it will be multiplied by how much? 6. Okay. Multiplied by 6. Just check. Is it satisfying? 3 times 2, that is 6. 6 times 3, that is 18. 18 times 4, that is 72. 70 times 72 times 5, that is 360. Okay, it is satisfying. Now 360 times 6, that is 2160. So this is correct answer. Okay, this is correct answer. So this type of question is easily understandable when you practice a lot of question, and you are when you pay attention to the pattern. Okay, pattern is most important thing. Yeah. Okay, so you have to pay attention to the pattern. You have to pay attention to the number. The number is in which form, and the number is multiplying or doubling or tripling, or it is near to the one another. Okay, so you have to pay attention to the number and the pattern, and all the answer will be come up. Okay, into your mind. So just practice with me, and you will ace this chapter. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 6. So in this question, you can see that here it is. Okay, okay. Write it here. 8, 24, 12, 36, 18, and what? So you can see 8 into 3, that is 24. So 8 into 3, that is 24. And 24 is divided by 2. Divided by 2, that is 12. Okay. The rule is something like this: 12 into 3 and divided into, like, multiplied by 3 and divided by 2. This is the rule. Okay. Multiplied by 3, that is 12 times 3, that is 36, and it will be divided by 2. It will be divided by 2, that is 18. 36 is divided by 2, that is 18. Then what will be the next number? This will be multiplied by, this is the pattern. Okay, so you need to understand pattern. You need to learn. You have you have to pay attention to the numbers in which form they are. Okay, so 18 times 3, that is 54. Okay, so 54 is the correct answer here. 54 is the correct answer. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question, and this is the last question. Okay, after that I will end this session. So what will be the rest questions, rest problem? You have to do it or practice it on your own. Okay, I will upload this PDF on my Telegram channel, so make sure to join in my Telegram channel. Okay, and just download this video PDF and start start practicing on your own. Okay, it will boost your preparation. And if you watch this video, please subscribe my channel if you are new in this channel. Okay, because if you subscribe this channel, whenever I take live session, you will be notified. Okay, so come to the problem number 7. Here it is written 195, 55, 70, 50, and what? So you can see these numbers are very close to each other. Okay, so it is like -5. We subtract -5 from 8, from 100, then we will get 95. Okay, subtract 10 from 95 and you will get 55. Subtract 15 from 85 and we will get 70. Subtract 20 from 70 and we will get 50. Okay. So subtract how much? So you can say 5, 10, 15, 20 and this will be 25. How we are writing it as 25? So this is the pattern. Okay. You need to learn the pattern. This is 5. If you subtract, the difference between this is 5. Okay. Minus 5 and minus 10. Difference is 5. This is also 5. This is also 5. Difference is 5. Okay. This is also will be 5. 25 minus 25. Not answer. Here the here the number will be minus 25. So subtract 25 from 50. So that is 25 is the correct. So yeah. So I have solved a lot of questions today and I have explained all of this. You just need to practice it once again. Okay, from this PDF source. Okay, so just go on my Telegram channel and download this PDF. Start practicing. Okay, so and if you want to help me, I have given a QR code here in the right corner of this video. I am I am pointing it with this cursor, okay, with this pen, like here. Okay, you can help me if you want. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.